Everyone, are you ready to meet our Mr. and Miss U Dentistry 2026 candidate?
After weeks of nerve-wracking preparation, our candidates are more than ready to take the stage.
Today, they bring you a performance defined by style and rhythm.
All showcased through their casual wear, proving that style and personality go hand in hand.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is our honor to present the official faces of Mr. and Miss U Dentistry 2026.
Watch this.
Representing Phil Chan.
Good day, everyone. I'm Charles Lucas of candidate number 1, representing the graph of excellency, the Achievers Council for Excellence.
Standing in front of you, a woman with a purpose to serve, to inspire, and to create change. I am Alura Madlang Bayan Dominguez mula sa pamilyang Dagsa sa abilidad.
Candidate number 3, Bench Albert Mayari, Santa Maria. You will be loved